This is a one owner 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Crew Cab Laramie. It has a 6 1/3 foot bed. The AutoCheck report gives it a score of 96 out of 95 and shows no history of being involved in any accidents. Has 8 cylinders, the HEMI, and 5.7 liters. Has the towing package. And here is the inside of the truck bed, which is has the lining on it, as well as a foldable cover to protect your belongings in the back. That's also removable if you needed to have the whole bed opened. You have the upgraded rims and tires. The rims are the Hostile brand, and they'll zoom in so you can see the tread. Now let's go inside. Go ahead and stand back here. You have the power running boards. Here is the back bench, and this truck seats 6, which is nice. Not many trucks seat 6. And you have the rubber floor mats, your USB, and I don't know what that's called. I need to look that up, but the fast lightning ports. Okay, you have both dual power seats. Here is the passenger seat and the middle row, or I'm sorry, the middle seat. And here's the driver's seat. Okay. This screen is also where your backup camera is, and you have dual climate control as well as heated and vented seats and a heated steering wheel. Your towing options. There's your USB and lightning ports and auxiliary port. And then over here, you have another outlet. And up here on the dash, try to go slow so as to not make you dizzy, you have your 12-volt charging port. Alright, you have the power window in the back. And then there's your light controls. Your garage door transmitters. There are no caution or warning lights on. There's your cruise control. Audio controls. You can adjust the pedals, seat memory, power locks, power windows, and I forgot over here is where your 4-wheel drive or 4-high, 4-low, 2-wheel drive options are. If you are looking for a truck to travel around and go on adventures with, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you will be sure to drive away with a smile. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!